Welcome to Freedomfully, where we celebrate the journey of retirement together.
In a world that is dominated by keyboards, by touchscreens, and by the relentless pace of digital communication, there is a deep and a quiet magic in the simple and the ancient art of calligraphy. Calligraphy, which means beautiful writing in Greek, is the art of giving form to signs in an expressive, a harmonious, and a skillful manner. It is a practice that has been revered for centuries in cultures around the world, from the elegant brushstrokes of the East to the intricate lettering of the West. But calligraphy is more than just beautiful handwriting. It is a meditation. It is a dance. It is a profound and a beautiful conversation between the hand, the heart, and the soul. For seniors, the practice of calligraphy can be a particularly powerful and a rewarding experience. It is a way to cultivate a sense of calm, of focus, and of creativity. It is a way to connect with a timeless and a beautiful tradition. And it is a way to create something of lasting beauty and of meaning. In this video, we will be your guide to the healing and the transformative power of calligraphy for seniors, a simple and a joyful path to a more calm, a more creative, and a more beautiful life. The beauty of calligraphy is that it is a practice that is accessible to everyone, regardless of your artistic ability or of your previous experience. It is not about having perfect handwriting. It is about the process. It is about the slow, the deliberate, and the mindful act of creating each and every stroke. It is a practice that requires patience, that requires focus, and that requires a gentle and a loving attention to detail. And in this age of instant gratification and of constant distraction, these are qualities that are more valuable and more healing than ever before. One of the most profound healing benefits of calligraphy is its ability to cultivate a state of deep and a profound mindfulness. As you sit down to practice your calligraphy, you are invited to leave the worries and the distractions of the world behind. You are invited to be fully present with the simple and the beautiful task at hand. You are focused on the feel of the pen in your hand, on the flow of the ink on the page, and on the gentle and the rhythmic movement of your own breath. In this state of deep and a focused concentration, your mind becomes quiet, your heart becomes calm, and you can experience a sense of peace, of stillness, and of deep and a lasting joy. It is a form of active meditation that can be incredibly soothing and restorative to the nervous system. Calligraphy can also be a powerful tool for enhancing your cognitive function. The practice of calligraphy requires a high degree of focus, of concentration, and of hand-eye coordination. It is a practice that engages multiple areas of the brain, from the visual cortex to the motor cortex. And studies have shown that engaging in mentally stimulating activities like calligraphy can help to improve memory, to sharpen focus, and to reduce the risk of cognitive decline. It is a beautiful and an enjoyable way to keep your mind sharp, your creativity flowing, and your spirit engaged. And of course, calligraphy is a beautiful and a rewarding creative outlet. It is a way to express your own unique and a personal style. It is a way to create beautiful and a meaningful gifts for your loved ones, from handwritten letters and cards to framed quotes and poems. It is a way to add a touch of elegance, of beauty, and of intention to your everyday life. The act of creating something beautiful with your own two hands is a deeply satisfying and an empowering experience. It is a reminder of your own innate creativity, of your own unique voice, and of your own deep and a beautiful capacity to bring more beauty and more love into the world. So, how do you begin? The world of calligraphy can seem intimidating at first, with its wide array of pens, of inks, and of papers. But you don't need to invest in a lot of expensive equipment to get started. You can begin with a simple calligraphy pen, a bottle of ink, and some good quality paper. You can find beginner-friendly calligraphy kits online or at any art supply store. There are also many wonderful books, online tutorials, and in-person workshops that can guide you through the basic strokes and the letter forms of this beautiful and an ancient art. The most important thing is to be patient and to be kind to yourself. Calligraphy is a skill that takes time and that takes practice to develop. There will be wobbly lines, there will be ink blots, and there will be moments of frustration. This is all a normal and a natural part of the learning process. The key is to approach your practice with a sense of curiosity, of playfulness, and of self-compassion. Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is presence. The goal is peace. The goal is the simple and the profound joy of the creative process itself. Calligraphy is a simple, a beautiful, and a deeply healing practice that can bring a sense of calm, of creativity, and of connection to your life. It is a way to slow down, to be present, and to create something of lasting beauty and of meaning. And it is a way to connect with your own deep and a beautiful capacity for creativity, for expression, and for freedom fully.